Where am I going? Shit, I didn't realise that.
Yes,
So today's the last day before we open. So it's going to be super, super good tomorrow. We're getting up first chair straight down there. Which means today we have to finish all of the other bits and pieces. So all the online training is done. Got my bank account, got my SIN number, got my mobile phone number. I finished everything in terms of admin. We've made the place Christmassy, plus here and outside. So we have a ton of pens and stuff, which we're going to whack in the locker. Then we have all these like your escaping, your leaving, cards and stuff, so I'm going to put that in the locker. Then we've got my big book of lesson plans, which is for into like ski lessons, and then quick ride lessons, and then switch ride lessons, and then freestyle, I think. I know. Snowboard improvement lessons. I needed splitters really. And then freestyle lessons. So we've got like a decent amount. Not sure about the whole of the fall. Jesus, how many did I write? So we have a decent amount of stuff here. And just because I'm nerdy, I've put like all the instructor rules. Well, the ones that apply to me mainly, and then there's more on the back, but that's like after we've learnt these ones, and these are like sorted. And we flip this over, and then it's like the things you should do. And then we've got all the lessons, prices, time you start, which is kind of cool. What you should promote next, what level you're teaching. And that is on our fridge because I'm weird. So yeah, so today is just going to be get my skis calibrated, which I think they're already done anyway. My helmet checked, sort out my locker, make sure my instructor jacket is like set up for teaching. And then what else? Wax up boards so that for the next 4 days I can just have fun. Go snowboarding, chill out, have a good time, and then Monday it all begins. Well, it's still orientation for 5 days, but yeah, so that starts, and then I've got 5 days there, and then I've booked onto the Saturday refresh with the cats because I have a day off. So we'll do that. I don't think I can sit the exam. I think I'm working the next week, and it's probably not the best idea to be like, hey, can I have a day off on my first day? So we're just gonna deal with that later in the season. We'll just deal with it then, it'll be fine. But yeah, other than that, a little bit of editing to do, and then we're gonna head to the town and sort locker, all that good stuff. But I think we're prepped as much as we can. There's nothing else I can do. I could read the CASI guide again, but I think we're pretty much there.
On anyone else's mind to bear.
We're going to the waxing room to wax stuff. I mean, there's two very different reactions there, isn't it?
I gotta drag this thing up there.
Yeah, good luck. So, 3 adventurers take off on an epic journey.
I remember on leaving day, everybody was leaving. I had a lot of tear in my eyes. So I was like, oh, everybody's leaving, and then you're left. And I was like, oh, I can still go snowboarding.
Yeah. 3 adventurers off to wax their boards and check their skis. We made it. Jack's here. The ski boots with some shin pads. We've got a spare whistle, and we've got our nice reds, our blacks, and our hat. Whistle attached for safety thing. Medals I'm probably going to get shit taken out of me for, but you know, fuck it. I worked hard to get them. It is what it is. Then we're here. I have my big book of lesson plans. Business cards, which I should have brought out my own ones, but there you go. It's cool. We've got Mr. Bear, who's going to be for like kids lessons maybe, or CAD stuff, and we've got some Nutrigrain bars, like 3 boxes of them just in case, screwdriver for bindings and whatnot, spare screws, first aid kit that might go in my jacket, I'm not sure, scraper, lip balm, an Eagles thing. I think that's just going to stay in here though, because I don't think I can have it anywhere. And then my pin, my CAD's pin broke, so upsetting, but we'll have to see what we can do. helmet checked, which is currently our Z Pals I'm on. But we have a new one on the way. But yeah, other than that, it's all good.
Right there, mate.
Huh? It's two
Jack sets.
I got a pair of jacks here.
Hey.
That's got to be good, isn't it?
What's worse than one jack? Two jacks.
There's a jack forward next to my locker as well, so there's 3 jacks at least. And there's a jack that works in the kids centre. That's 4 jacks. That's
Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, fuck.
Because obviously there's not that much snow, so it'll be like everyone will just smash through it. So, yeah, the guys were. I think they were pretty good. Like, I didn't want to do all the normal sales thing where you're like, oh, I'm kind of interested. That'd be a good way to. Well, no,
Yeah.
Why not?
Fresh rooms every day.
it's really
Well, that full-day private lessons where you make most of your money if you have that as a request.
Get the fitting and then buy them somewhere else.
probably buy them from Dizzy's. Can't go back to my $30 store anymore, can I?
Probably won't get them much cheaper than you get at Disney's with
40% off, isn't it?
Oh yeah, hey Ben, you're good?
Do you know what you have to drink? Or?
Are you guys staying here for a little? Have I got time for
We can wait. You got time for a drink?
Can I just get a bottle? Is that a bottle of Bud?
Budweiser, yeah.
Yeah, just a bottle of Bud.
Perfect. I get that for you.
Thank you very much.
And the track home. Which is a bit of a nightmare, really. But from tomorrow we can ride home, isn't that right, Ben? Yeah, we're just up here through the clouds to the left.
To every Christmas.
There you go.
Do you want the table?
No, we can figure that out. Still that? Thank you very much.
You got a dash.
Right, yeah, so you're ready. Sorry, there's some alcohol on this.
Do you have like a timer where you're going to jump in?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Where am I going? Shit, I didn't realize that.
Yes,
Thanks, Jack.
You can see Jack's like, fuck!
Are we going to do a silly one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That was serious.
Fuck, we look fucking awkward as shit. I need to get closer because it literally looks like we're about 5. A silly one, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh wait, silly.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's see.
Right. Oh, I'm just in normal shoes. Where are we going, Ben?
Ho, ho, ho.
That wasn't the question.
What did you say?
I said, where are we going?
Oh, Christmas party.
Nice. Ah, well done.